Hey guys, it's Nakmi here. I'm bringing you a video for some stats today, how to work your calculator in particular. Some of you guys are struggling on how to find the mean and the standard deviation using your TI calculator. So I'm hoping this will help you guys out. So I got here a problem with 10 data points it looks like, and it's asking me to find the mean and the standard deviations. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and turn on our calculator, right? And going to go ahead and go in there and plug in these numbers into the list. So I'm hoping you guys will remember that in order to do this, we have to go to Stat, which is this button right here, and we're going to go ahead and edit our list. Okay, so I'm going to press Enter, and I already pre-entered these numbers into here, but all you have to do is simply type in the number, press Enter, and enter all the numbers in here into L1. Once you do that and have your numbers entered into your L1, it's as simple as pressing Stat again, go over to Calculate, and we're going to be doing some one var statistics, which stands for one variable statistics. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter. I keyed in all these numbers into L1, so it's very important that the list that you have there is blinking, it says L1. And if it doesn't, like let's say someone before you was putting a bunch of numbers in there, they wanted L3 in there, so when you go in there to do this, it will calculate and it will show nothing. There's no dimensions in there, right? So I'm going to go ahead, and what we can do to fix that is simply change it from L3 to L1 by hitting second and 1. Now I'll change it to an L1 for us. Don't worry about the frequency list for right now. We're going to go ahead and calculate everything from L1. The first number that shows up right here, X bar, is your mean. So the mean of those 10 data entries is 41.5. The sum of those data entries comes out to 415. And here's what we needed, the standard deviation. Since we're dealing with a sample, we're going with S sub x, and the sample standard deviation is 3.1358. The standard deviation for a population, if this was an entire population, is 2.97, etc., etc. Hopefully that will help you out here to find out your standard deviation. You still need to understand what that means for your test. Oh, one other thing before I let you go, there's a neat little trick here. If you scroll down, that's not a trick, it's actually part of the calculator. If you scroll down, it tells you your minimum value, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and your maximum value, which is going to be helpful for you when you need to construct your box and whisker plot, right? Those are the only 5 numbers you need. So if you plug this into your calculator, you can get not only your mean, your standard deviation, but also your 5 key data points that will help you make your box and whiskers, right? So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Hopefully you'll practice and be able to do this on my test that's coming up soon. All right, have a good one, guys. I'll see you around.